Hi everyone, we are at KFC. It's a French wine. It's kind of my first time here, so let's just jump right away in the thing. Let's see the menu. So we're gonna take that. Nope. Ça c'est les offres du monde. For in bucket, they have like for two people. Tender hot wings. Tu le mets pour une personne? Ah d'accord. Oh, putain, c'est super cher. Okay, so no, the double is useless. I think I'm gonna take that because we have the other thing. That one, I'm gonna go for that. And no. Normal one. Hi everyone, as promised on my community post, we're here at KFC. We just ordered, you probably saw that or you're going to see that. Yeah, let's go. So I don't usually eat fast food, I rarely eat fast food, but I thought it would be great for you to see how it is in France. So I put on the community post and you choose KFC was 41 person. So we went for a lot of stuff because it's kind of my first time here, I know. I didn't know what to take. So I take something that was, like on the moment, and we took that because my boyfriend told me there was something, like you must try when you come to KFC. And I take an ice cream, which they should have gave me after, but yeah, anyway. First of all, it's very, very high. I'm gonna drink my Oasis. Let's taste this. I never tasted it. Like, can you believe it? Whoa, that's nice. So look how it is. It smells very good. So I heard in the comments that it's 50-50. I'm either on a good KFC, either on a bad one. Let's see this right now. Oh, I didn't know it was like this. It's hot. It's good, actually. Yeah. I was like, it doesn't taste anything, but the taste comes after, I feel like. I like the crispy stuff. It's good. I like it. I think it's better if I taste it with the sauce, which I will do that after. It is far more small than what was on the the image, the picture, which is great because we ordered a lot, but I feel like it's fake pictures again. Oh, it's okay. So we have bacon, cheese, and I feel like crispy chicken, something like this. Okay. Oh my god, it's everything that I love: chicken, cheese, and bacon with bread. So let me taste. Oh wow. That's a yes. The bacon is really tasty in your mouth. I like it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna eat, and then I will tell you what I really think about it after having, it a lot more.
Mais peut-être que ce qui donne finalement le plus de goût, c'est la sauce.
Let's taste too hot. Too hot what? Too hot for you. I don't like hot stuff, spicy stuff. Oh wow, it's good. It's refreshing. Can I actually open that? Ugh. Ah, it's good. It's a lot better than what I expected. Actually, it's good. Well, I don't know what my intestine is going to say, but
What is your favorite stuff so far?
well, I think hot wings. Because, like you said, the texture is great. Like there is a bone, which means it's real chicken. And I don't know, it's really better than the tender stuff. Is it called tender?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah. Tender's good too. But I was expecting something with more flavor. It's all melting. Oh wow! It's very sugary. It's too sweet. It feels like I'm eating sugar.
Sweet is what? Huh?
It's like sucré.
Ah. Sugar.
Honestly, it's good, but so honestly, guys, I'd say first of all, it's good. I'm disappointed in most of the things though. It's either like no flavor, not fresh, too sugary, like too sweet. The real thing that I really love is the hot wings, and well, the kimchi stuff is good too. I think it's way too expensive for what it is, even though like I don't cook for it and blah blah blah, you know, I do feel like it's really expensive. It's, yeah, I think as I'm used to it healthy, it's probably disappointed because I can really taste like it's not fresh or that kind of stuff, or too sugary, too you know, too salty. But it's a great experience. So yeah, I hope you liked it, guys. It was interesting to do. I don't regret it, you know, because it's really fun to, you know, go into adventure and see how it is, because I never do that. So it's kind of great to get out of your comfort zone and just taste it, because it's great to say, oh no, you know, fast food is not good, but if you don't really have the experience of it, I mean, like, it's better to have experienced it to really say it. So yeah, big thanks to my cameraman right here, Remy, aka my lovely boyfriend, learning English, doing his best. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I don't really have anything to add. Yeah, I'd say yes. Tell me your preferences, guys. If you love to go to KFC, tell me what's the best thing that you tasted. What's your favorite things to, you know, to take, or in, you know, other kind of fast food. And that's all. I know that there's a lot of fast food that exists in America that don't, or other countries, but that don't exist still or yet in France, and that are better. So I just hope that one day we'll be able to taste them. But yeah, tell me what did you think in the comments, guys, and I will see you very soon in another video. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye bye bye. Say bye.
Goodbye.